Hi teacher, my name is Laura and exhibit homework of past simple and negative, affirmative and question. Hi Alexander, in February traveled to Piscinago and went amazing. That's good. Did you go with someone more? Someone more? Yes, I did. Ate pork breast with salad and oranges. Mmm, what delicious! Did you visit the zoo? No, I did not. I was in the attraction Megatoboggan and went amazing. Seriously, Laura, was interesting your travel. Also was in the swimming pool. Obvious. Also stayed me with me mother in the boat. Were funny. Seriously? Did you stay in the Anaconda? The new slate? No, I did not. Were you the attraction Pisiloca? No, I were not. Okay, bye, bye. Good night. Good night. This is the end of my homework. I hope you liked it. Bye. Thank you.